the Silicon Valley for textiles in Taiwan. Taiwan's textile industry is equipped with comprehensive industrial clusters and an integrated supply chain from upstream to downstream segments actively engaged in global deployment. It provides flexible production, quick responses, and customized services. Known internationally for its innovative technology, Taiwan's textile industry not only implements strict product inspection and quality control and practices sustainability, but also strives toward automation and intelligentization. Thus, Taiwan can be called the Silicon Valley for textiles. With abundant innovative R&D capacity and design ability, Taiwan's plentiful textile talents and teams are fully capable of generating creative ideas and developing multi-application products. Taiwan is an indispensable partner for international brands. Climate change has damaged the global environment. Practical actions are taken by the industry to protect nature, conserve resources, and reduce pollution. Recycle and reuse practices are employed to create circular models for sustainable, continuous development. With the development of IoT and AI, Taiwan's high-tech advantages are incorporated to keep in step with Industry 4.0. In wearable smart textiles, to enhance buyers' experiences and create a new smart and healthy lifestyle, AR and VR interactive technologies are utilized. Athleisure and fashion, outdoor and sports, home and lifestyle, medical and protective, technical and industrial. Taiwan offers a multitude of textiles for a variety of applications to meet the needs of a diversity of lifestyles. Taiwan's textile industry will continue to innovate, research, and develop green and functional products and build sustainable value chains to create endless possibilities for the comfort of our lives. Taiwan, the new Silicon Valley of the global textile industry.
Hello, good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. This is Evan. Welcome to the innovative and intelligent textile online new product launch organized by the Taiwan Textile Federation. This federation is commissioned by the Bureau of Foreign Trade, Ministry of Economic Affairs to implement the Textile Export Promotion Project. This project selects premium suppliers and is smart, innovative, and sustainable exports through the measure of the trade mission, exhibitions, and the new product launch like today. With its diversity of talent pool, innovative research and design capacity, and its competitive new brands, Taiwan's textile industry has already considered us one of the best partners of international brands. Today, to open the event, we are so happy to invite you a very special guest, the Vice Chairman of Taiwan Textile Federation, the Chairman of Taiwan Small Textile Association, and also the Chairman of Textile Industrial Corporation. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me to welcome Mr. Ray Lin.
Taiwan is well known for manufacturing functional textile and consumer electronics. Our well-developed supply chains in the electronics industry and textile industry provide an outstanding foundation for the development of smart clothing. To deep cross-industry collaboration, the Taiwan Smart Textile Association was established in 2018 in hoping that will act as a platform for both academic and industry exchange. This newly founded platform has over 50 members representing different sectors, and is looking to future expand its member base. It's my wish that in the near future, When you think about smart clothing, you will think about Taiwan. Smart clothing has several applications that can better our life: healthcare, sports, and fashion. As we enter an era where people will live longer, you will ask, how can we lead a healthy and sustainable life in this aging society? The solution is smart clothing. With built-in biometric sensors, smart clothing will be able to monitor our health continuously and flawlessly. In terms of sports, smart clothing is already helping top athletes by implementing effective training programs through accurately correcting their physical status during training and play. Last but not least, smart clothing also plays an important role in fashion. Imagine wearing just a lightweight jacket during winter time and feels warm at the same time. The jacket can automatically heat itself and provide you to much needed comfort. With the use of LED technology, it can keep you safe by illuminating you at night. This may all sound like products from the future, but I can assure you they are here and will be in our lab not so long. We have 7 premier textile companies present their cutting-edge products and technology in this program. I hope it will bring inspiration to everyone watching here. Thank you and enjoy.
Thank you, Mr. Lin. Hello, you are now watching the Innovative and Intelligent Textile online new product launch. This is the first day of the 2 days event. It's my great honor to introduce you the premium textile firms who are going to bring their state-of-the-art products in front of you. So ladies and gentlemen, here comes the Asiatic Fiber Corporation, CT Bright Company, Textint Corporation, and also the Far Eastern New Century Corporation. Are you ready to join the new journey with us? So ladies and gentlemen, fasten your seatbelt. Get ready, let's go! Hey, are you a Fuber? Phone addiction is now getting serious. And also, we use computers every day for work, for entertainment, gaming, or movies. And more people like to go to the gym and work out. So, in our daily life, a lot of muscle pains and nerve pains happening every day. So, we give you a new solution. How's that? Ladies and gentlemen, now there's a new e-textile that you can use for thermotherapy and electrotherapy daily in your home, at work, or even on a bus. How does it happen? Ladies and gentlemen, I'll give you the next company, Asiatic.
Hello everyone, I'm Hank Lee from Asiatic Fiber Corporation. Today I'm going to talk about within the smart lab with the intelligent textile. High-tech fiber is our core competency. We focused on functional fiber and the conductive material. Based on this the foundation of the technical textile, we successfully moved to the smart textile. It combines fiber with technology, giving the textile the unlimited possibility. We have the capacity of the research and design the many smart e-textile products. Today, I will introduce to the main application using the smart e-textile. One is the heating module and the product, which for the thermal therapy. The other is the wearable e-textile product, which for the electrotherapy. We start from talking about wearable thermal therapy. We use our excellent thermal yarn to make the heated pad and the module. It has good thermal conductivity and the lightweight. Using the sewing machine, it is easy to combine with your professional textile, like the heated support, heated vest, neck warm, or the glove. Our heated module has the excellent endurance or repeat folding and the good tensile ability. It is flexible, washable, and durable. Now I invite you to watch a video of the IQMax heated module and the product.
The high-tech composite fibers are created for efficient conductivity and transmission of heat. This unique innovation is designed to enhance the textile's durability. IQMax is also uniquely designed to protect the user from either overvoltage, too much current, or short-circuiting. The garment is washable and is designed to endure folding over time. Its soft heating element matches the garment's requirement of comfortability. It has a status display and multiple temperature settings. Within 10 seconds after the power is turned on, the temperature increases and the heat is generated. This heating module is equipped with its unique heating element, textile cable, battery, controller, and charger. Our cutting-edge technology has been applied for outdoor apparel, such as jackets, gloves, and neck warmers, and indoor apparel such as heated supporters and socks.
Then we talk about the temperature control system of the heated module and the product. In addition to the traditional button type temperature controller, we also combine the phone cable and the Bluetooth device. You can set the temperature through the app of the smartphone or tablet. It is very convenient and very intelligent. Now we're going to talk about the wearable electrotherapy. We use the new generation conductive fiber to step into the wearable technology to design into glove, arm belt, slip, and so on. It relieves the pain and the soreness after your sporting or after your work, and replace the traditional one-dot electrode pad. Our wearable e-textile can cover a much larger area. It can also help you to stimulate your muscle contraction. You can use it before workout and warm up your muscle. And then, when you are exercising, it can stimulate your muscle and enhance your muscle stress. In the end of the workout, it can help you on cooling down your body and relax your muscle. Our wearable e-textile is washable, reusable, and more comfortable than electrode pad. And we're proud that our wearable e-massage textile got the 2020 Taiwan Excellence Award. We launched it at the national trade show, such as the Medical in Germany, ID Tech in US, and the Computex in Taiwan. We provide the user experience and got a lot of the good feedback. Let's see how it works. going to talk about the electrotherapy device. Our wearable e-textile is designed all the compatible accessory for electrotherapy device on the market, such as the TENS, EMS, e-massage. And now we combine it with the phone cable and the Bluetooth device. You can use the app of the smartphone or tablet to activate electrotherapy anytime and anywhere. I'm Hank Lee. Thank you for your listening.
Thank you for your presentation. We learned a lot and the information is so useful.
Thank you.
And the first question for you is we want to know how you start the e-textile and why you leading it to the thermotherapy and electrotherapy.
Because high-tech fiber is our core competency. We focus the functional fiber and the conductive material. Our wearables, the e-textile product for the thermotherapy and the electrotherapy is extensions of our core competency. And moreover, every product design is based on our vision. Our vision is the better care and better life. We believe the smart e-textile product can make your life better.
Wow, that's so touching. So the core value of the company is actually better life, better future.
Yes.
So the next question is, I heard you have some new innovation. Wow.
Yeah.
So what kind of innovation have you been done?
Unlike the traditional one, the electropad, and IQMax, the wearable, the e-textile is the washable and the reusable and the comfortable.
Wow.
And this product have the three innovation.
Okay, three innovation.
Three
First
innovation. First one is the material innovation.
Materials.
Yeah, the fabric is the good electric conductivity and the low resistance.
Oh wow, so
And,
it's better for the covering.
Yeah. And this penetrate into your skin, but not the skin.
Oh, so you mean is this the new material?
Yeah, new material.
Okay, so what's the name?
Silver is the fiber.
Silver fiber.
Yeah.
Wow, it's very comfortable.
Yeah, very comfortable.
And good conductive.
Yeah, good conduct and the low, it is important low resistance.
Low resistance.
And save the energy.
Oh, save the energy.
Yeah, save the
Cool.
energy. The second is the application innovation. It's a compatible, all the compatible the electro device on the market. And we combine it with the phone cable and the Bluetooth. So you can use your smartphones to activate the electrotherapy.
Oh, so that means if I am the electrotherapy user, I can use my own equipment with your garment.
Yeah.
And if I'm not, I'm just starting. I have this to connect with your cell phone and easily to control with the app.
Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah.
And what about the third?
And the third is about the market to service the innovation.
Service innovation.
Yeah. Because in order to satisfy the customer demand, and we can design and provide the different e-textile product according to the customer need.
Wow, so that means whatever the customer like to have, you name it, we deliver it.
Yeah.
Wow, thank you. And the last question is, I have things in front of me, and who is the target to wear it on, and where is the apply field?
Our product is perfect for the pain relief, muscle stimulation, and the contraction. It's good for the elder care and medical rehab, smart health care, and fitness. You can use it at home, in the workplace, a fitness center, or a gym. It is convenient to be activated anytime, anywhere.
So that means it's basically everywhere.
Yes.
And that means I can use it now?
Yeah.
Can I try it?
Yes, sure.
Okay, I am very curious about the muscle pain release because I hurt my muscles a lot, especially the wrist. Okay, so I now wear it on and I press the button.
This is the Bluetooth,
okay, Bluetooth
device.
connector. Okay, so now connect it to
And
this
connected
phone.
to this the phone.
Yeah, and the face I see here is
See.
actually here.
Yeah.
The same thing.
Yeah.
Okay, and now
turn
it
up
up.
on. And
in
wait
5 seconds.
5
5,
Two.
4, 3, 2. Whoa! Yeah, you mentioned it's not stained, but you can feel small vibration with the electronic. It's running around the cover area, but also affects the fingers and my whole arm and my whole palm
Yes.
here and fingers. Wow.
So is the first difference the one dot.
Yes,
Yes.
yes. The old way
The
is just a
larger area.
little round dots
Yeah.
here, and you will feel the area
Yes.
to be stimulated. But now it's the whole palm and wrist together. Wow.
And you can use the app to during and you
Oh,
can
there's
change it another
different
mode.
modes.
Different mode, yeah.
Oh, and you can also choose how strong you want it to be.
Yeah.
Okay.
And
okay.
the time
20 is
duration.
enough for me.
Time duration. Okay, turn on.
Thank you.
Sure.
Thank you,
Okay.
Hank, to bring us so many
welcome.
good stuff and amazing products. And as your core value is make life better and a better future. So ladies and gentlemen, the amazing product you see is all from
Asiatic Fiber Corporation.
Nowadays, we use apps and cell phone to control almost anything. So ladies and gentlemen, have you imagined a new kind of life that when the weather gets cold, you can use your cell phone, simply swipe and choose the temperature you like, and you are wearing the temperature with you all along. And imagine that. When the weather gets hot and you are all sweat, it's uncomfortable, right? So you can also use the same technology to make your clothes dry in a very quickly time. So ladies and gentlemen, today we are going to bring you into a new world. We are going to give you the City Bright.
Hello everyone, we are Seabright, and next I'm going to introduce our company. First of all, Seabright is the technology company that we use our solution to solve our consumers' demands. So first of all, we use the textile products and connect with our innovation, and we can help the normal garment to create more value. For example, for the normal t-shirt, you can wearing on the clamping because there's too cold, but we add on some function on it so you can keep yourself warm and also be providing yourself from cold. And next is the certification of our products. You don't have to worry about the quality because we have all passed about the CE, FCC, RoHS, some kinds of the certifications. And our mission is give the consumers a well experience about our products, not help themselves wearing the heavy products, but we can use our additional functions to give them more functional choices. And next is our lighting heating application. You can see that in our mind map, we have divided our customers' products line. So at the left, you can see our products could include in sleeping pack and heating carpet, and also for the cars for the seating cushion. And next, you can see on the right side, you can see our heating garment, and you can use in the fast dry clothing, and also for the sports for ENS or a tents. And at the right of the picture is that you can use several kinds of the heating well that customer can be choosing which kinds of the well they actually put in their garments. And next is also the light heating thermal application. It's also the mind map, but we divide into a different function. It's about the light. So the people can use their function into like riding the bicycle or use embroideries to let their models working on a fashion show. Or you can also choose to be the smarter building about your home design or another physiology detection. And next is our application of a ribbon heat technology. First, you can use the ribbon bond because it's very flexible. So it is basic on, also we put the heating yard inside. So customer can feel nothing about wearing their ribbons technology or their garments. Because of our technology is put our heating yard inside, so it can be also flexible for the athletes or the ballet dancers. Next is embroidery heating fiber. We also have the embroidery style in different ways like quilting, embroidery, heating transfer. For this point, we have designed it in the fashion show. So models can wear our embroidery design heating fiber, so that won't feel cold outside when they're working on the stage. So they can providing enough warmth to their activities. And next, we're going to look about a wireless turn signal and laser point wearing textile. It's actually the technology that we use to riding the bike or do the activities in the night when there's lack of the light, people aren't invisible to see you in the dark. So we use this technology to provide another vision about people can ride a bike by using our app to control they are going to turn right or turn right or turn left to help the consumer, help the passengers and the driver see your directions you're actually going. And next is our night sensor illuminated star Textile. It's usually the light will be dark, so the sensor, the system will detect if there's dark enough, the light will turn on itself. It's also use the chip to control and detect the sensors and the temperature or the environment of the darkness. If there's dark enough, the light will turn on itself. And the next is the turn signal technology. We also use a chip to detect the gravity. We use the chip to detect gravity that the consumers knows that if they're shaking their hands to the horizon, to the vertical to the horizon, so the system will light up itself. It's benefits for the bicyclists who ride in the dark. So it makes sure the safety and shows the direction of their passengers or the drivers. And next, we also have the technology one. It's flexible paper display. It's also use the e-paper. It shows the different patterns when you have the app to control it. So it basically, you will show the patterns you truly design for the clothes, and maybe you can set up a timer so the patterns will switch by the patterns that the apps you have setting off. Thanks for listening our presentation. And next, we're going to show you about the video that introduce our company. And there's also include some technologies in it.
How hard is it to keep warm in the winter? Well, actually, all you need is this jacket. No more hesitation when stepping out the door. It's comfortable, light, and durable. You wear it wherever you go, no matter the weather. This is the STTC jacket. Once activated, you'll be warmed to the core in just seconds. We've installed sensors and a patented microprocessor in our fabrics to reflect your body temperature in real time. It's a jacket that knows exactly how you feel. Through the app, you can adjust the heat to your ideal temperature to stay warm. With a fully charged battery, you can use it for up to 7 hours. We've placed the heating panels at the chest and back areas to achieve the best results. And on top of all that, you can throw it directly into the washing machine. It's 100% machine washable. We've studied the technology of heated fabrics since 1994. And we weave the heating materials into the fabrics so that you won't feel a thing. It washes just like your normal clothes. Check it out. Look, it's working perfectly. Together with our STTC outer coat, it not only keeps you warm, but also protects you from the wind and rain. It's a simple to use smart jacket, which keeps you warm to explore your winter adventures. Never let the cold stop you. Join us now. Break free with our STTC all-season heated smart jacket.
Hello, Richard. Thank you for your presentation. That's amazing.
Yes, thank you, Yvonne. I'm glad to be here and have our presentation.
We are happy to have you here too. And we have a lot of questions for you. The first question is, this technology is so useful, but can it apply on any kind of textile?
Yes. For our most of the customers, they will have their own business doing their garments or their textile. But our mission is how to connect our wire into their products. So basic on their different demands and different design, we will, like this pad, we have put our, this cycles way to connect with their products.
Oh, so it's coating it inside with the wire and the textile. And any other method to do it?
Yes, we also not only include the coating, we also have the heating transfer, just like this one.
This.
Yeah, and others manners to control their temperature inside the heating pad.
Cool. But I have one more question. If you are coating the textile, the wire into the textile, will you feel the wire and feel a little bit uncomfortable? Because we're wearing any garment, we want it to be very comfortable and suit.
Yes, you don't have worry about this problem because so many customers ask us they feel uncomfortable feeling of our garments, but actually it's not. In traditional ways that people used to put their heating pad on their backpacks, and this is the solid and very hardcore one. So you will feel uncomfortable feeling on your back because the heating pad is hand over here. But
now the new innovation.
Yes, the new innovation, we put the coating technologies inside, so the consumers won't feel anything in their clothes. They just like wearing the normal clothes.
So now we know about the heating control temperature. And what about the lightning?
Okay, for the lightning, we have two kinds of the function. First is you can use your normal bag and put our lighting technologies, or you can, for European, they used to ride a bike, so on the street for the sports or their leisure time. So sometimes they won't feel safety in the dark. So our developed this one system to provide them the direction when they're riding the bike. And they can
now I'm turning left.
Yes.
And so everybody would know and keep my way clean. So, and what about this? What is this?
It's kind of to razor point, and the range inside is tell the passengers keep a distance between the passenger and the rider. So it's kind of the safety zone.
Oh, so when I'm riding a bike and I have this on the back of my bike, so the car drivers will understand that here is my safety zone, but so keep both of us safe.
Yeah.
Wow, this is amazing. And you also mentioned that all the technology can be controlled by the apps. How do we do it? Can you demonstrate?
Okay. First of all, you can use the button to control. And first, you can have the long time plus to open
long
the
press
sensor.
To turn it on?
Yes. So we can switch into the lowest temperature and the hottest temperature and the medium temperature.
With the different colors.
Yes.
Okay.
And also, you can just like you turn it off and turn off, but it's by long term.
Oh, it's very easy. And what about the app? Because we use cell phone to control anything right now.
Yes.
So what about this?
So basically, if you have the Bluetooth sensor that you
Yes.
can turn on, it's actually connected
Yes.
with our products.
Oh, this one. Wow.
And now you can use the app to control. You can set up the temperature you actually want.
Oh, wow. So you can use the different temperature, what kind of temperature you want in Celsius, but also in Fahrenheit?
Yes, it's basic on the customer demands, and we will achieve their demands.
So you can choose anything, basically anything tailor-made for you with all the technology.
Yes.
Wow, amazing. Thank you, Richard, for showing us this kind of good technology and amazing things. So ladies and gentlemen, now all the things you see here is useful, comfortable, and safety. So ladies and gentlemen, they are all from
Seabright.
Heat transfer is always popular on fashion design, but some issues come along with it. The ink migration and also the durability. With a company, they have new solution, new technology, an innovation way to give you the anti-migration and the glue formula. In addition to the quality, this company also provides you the seasonal collection. They give you the newest effects that meets the market trend. Therefore, with this company, you can always have the best and beautiful thing with amazing quality. So ladies and gentlemen, here comes the e-texting.
Before beginning with our presentation, I would like to show you a short video for a better understanding on e-texting company background and how we produce heat transfer. So sit tight and enjoy. E-texting was established in 1981 with strong chemical background concentrating on vertical production and heat transfer quality innovation for more than 30 years. Excluding the headquarters and 5 factories in Taiwan, we have 5 sales offices around the world in order to provide prompt and local service to our client. In 1999, we started the heat transfer business and became one of the most important heat transfer suppliers of Nike and Adidas in 2003. We are awarded as Outstanding Performance and Innovation Award by Nike 3 years in a row in 2007 for better credibility and official certifications for testing reports. Our lab was accredited by third party, and we are OCOTEX 100 certificate. In 2013, our company has set up Charity Foundation. In the following 2 years, we are granted the Global Trim Vendors of the Year by Under Armour. We produce over 60 million heat transfer and 400,000 yards film tapes per month. Allow me to bring you to our production line. When we receive our work from clients with all confirmed development details, we will proceed with plate making, ink glue making, and color matching in factories. Then send submit for final reviews on approval on appearance and color. Once approved, government vendors could place order. Before shipping out, we will have 4 steps of strict quality check to make sure everything is under control. So let's take a look. I'm Annie, representing Textint Corp. In the presentation, I'll be introducing our strengths and innovations. We categorize our product into three: heat transfer, decorative filament tape, and cement filament tape. Our clients reach out to us as we have exclusive solutions for durability, migration, and stretch. As shown in the slide, SAM in the middle, abbreviation for super anti-migration, is the best solution for fabric dye migration rate under 3. It prevents color migration and standing issue after wash. The quality is mostly used on sublimation fabric. Yet, we still have standard ST and black backing BB quality for our customers to choose from. Moreover, we have a variety of glue formula for all kinds of fabric, like knitted, woven with DWR coating, heat sensitive, and high stretch. At the development stage, we will suggest our clients to send the fabric to us in order to ensure the glue formula is suitable. One of the most used is WP glue, which is suitable for water-repellent fabric, such as swimwear and raincoat. Notice that designers are always looking for interesting, innovative technology, which is full of new concepts. That's why we launched 2 sets of collections each year. I'll be focusing on functional and sustainable product. First, conductive filament tape. We have the product in the width of 28 centimeters as film, and tape which its width can be customized. It is achievable in pieces if customer requests. Conductive products are lightweight with soft hand feel. When applying conductive film and tape with conductor and sensor, it receives biosignal from direct contact with skin. You will get data through devices like pulse, body temp, sweat mode, and more. Customer can easily reach the details through app. It is mostly used on smartwear and smallwear. Scratch resistant heat transfer is suitable for elbow patch, footwear, and handbag, as sports brands need abrasion support. The heat transfer can recover to original look when heated up. Far infrared heat transfer not only can increase blood circulation, but relieve muscle pain. Allow me to explain more. After absorbing the heat from human body, far infrared heat transfer will then transform the energy into far infrared with a wavelength of 4 to 14 micrometer. Then it passes back to the body, which leads to enhanced human physiology. Heat transfer with far infrared functions can effectively achieve the purpose of thermal retention. Next is cooling heat transfer. We took the idea of the metal and came up with the cooling heat transfer. Qmax indicated on the slide is cooling instant measurement, which is applied to cooling product in the market. The test method is to simulate the body temperature to 35 degrees. Then use the material like heat transfer to take away the heat. The higher number shown on Qmax means the heat transfer will have will drop the temperature more. Applying cooling heat transfer against the body is like putting ice on hand. When the body temperature is higher, cooling is more obvious. It is only can be considered as medium. Before reaching to temperature equilibrium, you will have the cool feeling when wearing the product. Sustainability is a core value to all brands. Our R&D teams then introduce fabric, cork, and upcycle heat transfer. I'll go through one by one. First, fabric heat transfer. We use 100% recycled polyester fabric as a base, then digital print the patterns designed. When developing, we will suggest our clients to use woven with non-stretch fabric. Move on to the next is our cork heat transfer. The material is made from bark tree. We can develop solid cork heat transfer like the one on the left, and or have a screen print with a pattern with matte quality. Last but not least, upcycle heat transfer. There are plenty of waste from our mold cut logo. Instead of throwing it away, we gather the material and shatter them into small pieces, combining glue underneath to make it heat transfer. The product quality can be matte, silver refractive, color refractive, and rainbow refractive. So here you go. If you need more information on understanding on the product qualities, please reach out to Textint Corp. Thank you.
Hello, Annie.
Hi.
It's very happy to have you here and bring us so many beautiful products.
Yes.
And here I have some questions for you. The first question, sustainability is now the world trend. Everybody is seeking a new material, new solutions, and about heat transfer. How could you support this?
That's a very good question. Thank you for bringing it up. So a lot of our products are made from mold. So here's the example over here.
Oh, very beautiful one.
Yeah. So the hollow part, we consider that as a waste.
Yes.
So what do you think it will go?
Garbage center.
No. So we gather the waste up and then grind it into small pieces, and then combine it into heat transfer. So here's the example of silver refractive.
Oh, this
quality.
is a small flecks of the heat transfer patch, and you can feel every small pieces. This is very interesting.
Yeah. Not only
it's shiny.
not only with silver refractive, we do have a lot of quality for our clients to choose from.
It's very colorful and very beautiful. So we clients can choose any similar colors we like and make into the very special ones. Oh my God, thank you for bringing this. And this was the garbage. And now it's the new gold of heat transfer. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
And also from your presentation, I saw something very magical. It's a repairing patch. It's a scratch resistance. Could you show us that? Because I'm very curious about that.
Yep. So we actually bring the brush.
Okay, this is a real brush.
And here is the scratch resistant.
This is the one.
This is the
Okay.
one.
So I can do
Yep. Go ahead and scratch.
Okay. Okay. I'm really doing so hard. So don't ask me for money. Okay, so the camera can see there are a lot of small damages on it, little scratches. Okay, and now it's your turn.
So now it's the magic time.
Yes.
So here's a cup of hot water.
Hot water, just hot water?
Yeah,
so you
just
wanna
the hot
soak
water.
it inside?
No.
Okay.
So the heat transfer will repair itself when heated up. So let's combine it
So you just
together.
this patch touch anything hot, so maybe the temperature dryer or hair dryer could do
Hair
the same
dryer.
effects.
Yep. So that you can see.
Oh my God, it's real, ladies and gentlemen. Can you see that? It's like a new one. Wow, so I can go bouldering with this. Okay, thank you so much, and it's beautiful. But is this the only choice I have, or I have others? Face or quality too?
No, there are a lot of quality work colors for clients to choose.
Okay, so you name it. We have everything for you. All right, so the next question is, you have a lot of functional patch, right?
Yes.
And I saw this one is the heart rate belt, and there are something from you. Could you share us how to use it?
Yep.
Yeah.
So we actually produce conductive film and tape. So this is actually our product. So when it apply with the sensor and conductor, it will receive the data from our body, such as body temp, sweat mode, etc.
Oh, in the heart rate.
Yes. And
Okay.
with the device, you can see the information or look at the information on the app.
Okay, so that means you have the conductive patch. So any clients you want it to connect to any kind of smart device is doable, and we will transfer the signal from the body to your device, and you can do whatever you want.
Yes.
Wow, thank you so much. And also, you can see the hot run is so beautiful, right? Could you share more about this beautiful stuff?
So we do have a lot of quality like matte, shiny for our clients' demands. So one of the special is our reflective series. So on the back.
Okay,
so we do have the silver refractive, which has the reflectivity over 400 up.
Wow.
And here's the hidden refractive.
Hidden reflected. How
So-
do you see that?
On the light.
Oh, wow. Isn't it beautiful?
And other, it will be the rainbow refractive.
And the shining one. I like the shining one and the rainbow one. So when you walk in under the sun or any lights, you are shining. You will be the stars.
Yeah.
Wow, amazing. Thank you so much, Annie, to bring
Thank
us
you.
so much amazing products. It's blow your heads off with all the inspirations. So ladies and gentlemen, if you like the products here, don't forget that you are going to find
E-testing.
fashion and textile industry is always beautiful, charming, and attractive. However, the pollution issue is always bothering. Today, when we talk about choosing the priority of the best partners, making the best products, the sustainability always comes first. The next company we are going to introduce you is the Far Eastern New Century Corporation. They are aiming on finding the new ways, the innovative ways to solve the problems such as the waste of textile, water pollution, and polyester, and so on. So ladies and gentlemen, are you ready to get to know more about the new shining products? Ladies and gentlemen, I'll give you FENC.
At FENC, we are committed to empowering our clients and partners with unlimited possibilities. Being a fully integrated company, we provide innovation, performance, and sustainability. In our smart facilities, we optimize process and equipment as much as possible to reduce water and energy consumption. Now, to better understand what is Far Eastern, please accompany me watching the following video. Today, we will highlight 3 of our top products. The first product we would like to introduce is a filament within our Top Cool series. Top Cool filaments have a specially designed cross-section that allows for quick and easy moisture management. Today, we're pleased to introduce the latest generation in our Top Cool series, Top Cool Petal. Top Cool Petal, in comparison to its original version, has 8 channels in its cross-section. These channels allow for sweat to be rapidly wicked away from your body and later evaporate into the air. This allows for you to stay dry and comfortable all day. This product is eco-friendly and high-performing. Compared to category average, Top Cool Petal has a high wicking performance, achieving up to 15 centimeters high in testing. This performance lasts through several washes, so we assure functional and durability. This product was awarded on ISPO Texttrends Award Selection, so we're proud today to introduce it to you. All of these functionality while providing comfortable and superior hand-feeling fabrics, making it suitable for a wide range of applications. FENC, in collaboration with Morphlon, is a technological solution to one of the biggest problems we face in the textile industry, being textile waste in landfills. Textiles can take up to 200 years to decompose in landfills. This is a problem that not only affects us as producers, but consumers and every single one in the supply chain. But at FENC, we offer a new life to this pre-consumer fabric waste by collecting it, sorting it, and shredding it into staple fibers. These staple fibers are later spinned into one-of-a-kind spun yarns. These spun yarns are processed into unique fabrics that reduce the needs of dyes and fixing agents. Through this waste reprocessing, we reduce energy consumption and, most importantly, avoid landfill waste. Because at FENC, we believe waste should not be wasted. Our last product, FENC Non-Shedding Fleece, was awarded Top 10 at ISPO 2021 Texttrends Awards. This innovative fabric allows for thermal generation utilizing our own FENC heat emission technology, combined with 3-dimensional knitting, providing warmth to your body and comfort whenever you need it. A major advantage of our FENC non-shedding fleece is that it does not require brushing to achieve its texture. Traditional fleece, in its brushing process, can shed hundreds of thousands of tiny plastic particles known as microfibers. These microfibers contribute to global pollution and can harm both marine organisms and us human beings that we consume them. Our non-shedding fleece avoids this microfiber release, being an eco-friendly and innovative solution and alternative to traditional options. Thank you very much for your attention in our product's introduction. If you have any question or comment, do not hesitate on contacting us. Here at FENC, we empower possibilities.
Hello, Andrea.
Hi, Evan.
Thank you for your presentation. That's so inspiring.
Thank you for inviting us. It is a delight to be here.
Yeah, so I think everybody has a lot of questions for you. So now I'm the presentation here. I represent them to ask you some questions. The first question is FENC is doing a lot for the earth. And could you share with us how are you going to commit the sustainability?
Well, as you can see from our presentation, all of our products are eco-friendly, being recycled polyester based. What does this mean? It means that we use used consumer bottles and we reprocess them to get PET chips. And these PET chips are turned into yarns. And over here in Far Eastern, it is because sustainability is not an option, but it is a core value in our business. So every product that we develop, we have sustainability in mind.
Wow.
Yeah, so you can see all of the products that we have over here are reducing carbon emissions, reducing green gas emissions, and overall reduce water usage. All of these things are good for the environment.
Yes, just help our life to get better while we're dressing.
Exactly.
Wow. So the second question, I'm very curious about a new product, is the top cool filament. It looks so useful and with multifunction, and what are they going to apply it for?
Well, our top cool petal filament, it has a great wicking effect. Normal wicking yarns, they have 4 channels in this cross section, but our top cool petal has 8 different channels. And it is called petal because these 8 channels resemble, well, a flower. That's why it's called petal.
Okay.
And well, as for application, when you think about wicking sweat, you think, well, it's great for outdoors, for sportswear.
Yeah, of course.
But other than this, it has a wide range of applications. For example, this year for Tita's exhibition, we have come up with a face mask cover.
Oh, that is. It's so light and very cool. When you touch it, you will know.
Yeah, well, our face
Wow,
mask
I
cover,
need that.
well, of course, right now due to a pandemic, a face mask cover is one of the many usages for our top cool petal yarn. It is very breathable, it is light, and overall, it has a great performance.
Oh yeah, you should try this because it's totally different from the feelings you bring, you know, the normal mask. Yeah. Okay, and I see the sunglass here, so that means you're making the earth cooler, or?
Well, yeah, this is the packaging for our face mask cover this year, and our logo for Tita's would be Make Earth Cool Again. And what do we mean by this? Well, as I mentioned on the first question, it's about sustainability, about reducing carbon emissions and bringing down the temperature of the Earth.
Cool, and
That's
I get
why.
a pun. Cool.
Exactly.
It's humor. Okay, the last things I'm very curious is normally on the desk will be something very amazing, but do you forget to wipe this off because it looks like garbage?
Well, for this is amazing. This trash is
New
amazing for us.
So what is this?
So our second product that we mentioned, FENC Morphlin, what we do is that we collect fabric waste.
Oh,
so
that's
this is
the fabric wake. This is textile.
Yeah, this is textile. So in weaving and knitting processing, there is a lot of fabric that is not used. And this fabric waste is normally incinerated or thrown into landfills, bringing up pollution. So in FENC, what we do is that we collect this fabric waste and then we shred it into spun yarns.
Yeah.
Like the ones that we have over here.
Hi. And become this?
Yeah, and then we spin it into spun yarns.
And what can you do, you know, with the garment or any, you know, products?
Well, this yarn as well has a wide range of applications. You can have garments like this one over here. You can have accessories like this backpack.
It's beautiful.
As well as footwear.
Imagine that. It's the West, and now it's like new gold.
Exactly. So you can see from the fabric that all of these different colors is because, of course, our raw material fabric has different colors.
Yes.
And once we turn it into staple fibers, all of these colors stain into the yarn and making these unique fabrics.
And it's the new design, and never find a second one the same.
Exactly. So every design would be different and unique.
Thank you, Andrea, for bringing us this amazing product.
Thank you, Yvonne, for inviting us. It has been a pleasure.
So, ladies and gentlemen, if you like our products here, remember you're going to find
FENC.
Thank you for watching today's innovative and intelligent textile online new product launch. If you missed any part or want to share with more friends, Don't worry, just simply subscribe and turn on the reminder. We will put on the video online in very soon. So ladies and gentlemen, if you want to contact with us or if you are interested in any products, no hesitate. Please scan the QR code or simply click the link below. We'll be so grateful that if you can help us on the survey and give us more information and a suggestion for the future events. Today is very wonderful and tomorrow will be super amazing. So I will see you tomorrow. Bye!